Hey guys, hope your day's been good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favourite cookie dough recipes. My sister uses this recipe, but she makes it without eggs, so you can eat it raw or you can cook it. Let's go! Make sure you wash your hands because we're going to be using our fingers. Make sure your adult helpers wash their hands too. If you're unsure, then this is what an adult is. First we have to make the cookie dough. Put in your room temperature butter to a mixing bowl, followed by the sugar. Beat it with a mixer until it's creamy. Add condensed milk and a dash of vanilla. Mix on low speed until light and fluffy. Now add your flour to the mixture. Now that we've added our flour, we're going to add some salt and bicarbonate of soda. Mix to form a dough. Now for my favourite part, the chocolate chips. Remember, mix them in well, and that's our cookie dough ready. First thing is cookie dough ice cream because I love Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream. First thing is, I'm gonna mix my ice cream down into a slush. I'm using vanilla ice cream. So now I've got my ice cream goo. So now after you have the ice cream goop, take some cookie dough, roll it up into some balls and drop it into the ice cream goop. So here goes. You want the balls to be about this big and you're just gonna place them in. So now just gently stirring the cookie dough. It should look like this. So now you want to get a freezable container. I've got mine just here. And I'm just gonna put this carefully. So it's ready for the freezer. Now time for the hot cookie dough. So you're gonna take some cookie dough, put it into an oven safe dish and gonna lightly press it into the edges of the dish. And get an adult to put it into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius. And it has to be in for no more than 7 minutes. If you're gonna have it later, like me, cover it with cling film and put it into the fridge for no more than 2 days. The cling film's on it, now let's put it into the fridge. So now for the cookies themselves. Preheat your oven to 170, but if you've got a really powerful oven, then put it into 160. So, you want them to be around this size, a small bouncy ball size, and you're just going to pop them in onto your baking paper. So I just pressed them down, so get an adult to put them in your preheated oven for 10 minutes. Last but definitely not least, cake pops. Yeah. So you're gonna roll up some golf ball size amounts of cookie dough and put it in the fridge for around half an hour. This makes sure they're nice and cold and it doesn't hurt your tongue. So you're gonna get a wooden skewer and get an adult to cut the sharpy pointy bits off. And you're just gonna stick it into your cake pops. Just gonna stick it into this one while I'm at it. So you're gonna dip it in some melted chocolate.
Close your eyes.
So this is what it looks like after the melt. So this is what it should look like. So now I'm gonna cover the hundreds and thousands. So my cookies are all done, and you're gonna leave them in the tray to cool, and so you don't burn your fingers. And while they cool, I'm gonna have some amazing cookie dough. It's so good. Hope you had as much fun as me. Hope you liked everything. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on another bit of fun time. Bye!
Darling, I'll be true.